हमारे बिना तो स्वर्ग भी अधूरा है भाई। थोड़ी तो इज्जत देनी पड़ेगी, है कि नहीं?
This inspiring line from Alia Bhatt starrer Gangubai may not remain a pipe dream in fiction, but soon turn into a reality in India. After years of being ostracized, humiliated, discriminated and exploited, sex workers will finally get legal protection, something they've been fighting for centuries. Their right to legally practice their profession. The Supreme Court of India has recognized sex work as a profession. The Supreme Court said, and I quote here, "Needless to say, this basic protection of human decency and dignity extends to sex workers and their children who, bearing the brunt of social stigma attached to their work, are removed to society's fringes, deprived of their right to live with dignity and opportunities to provide the same to their children." Now, sex workers are entitled to dignity and equal protection under the law. They also have a right to a dignified life under Article 21 of the Constitution. This verdict came from a 3-judge bench headed by Justice L. Nageshwara Rao.
मानवता भरे निर्णय का मैं स्वागत करती हूँ, अभिनंदन करती हूँ। शोषित पीड़ित बेशा माता बहनों को भी सम्मान से जीने का अधिकार प्राप्त होगा।
I'm very grateful, very thankful to you that you should allow the customers to come. সুপ্রিম কোর্ট যে রায় দিয়েছে অনেক অনেক ধন্যবাদ।
Now, according to this order, sex workers are entitled to equal protection of the law. Criminal law must apply equally in all cases on the basis of age and consent. Sex workers should not be arrested or penalized or harassed or victimized whenever there is a raid on any brothel, since voluntary sex work is not illegal and only running the brothel is unlawful. Basic protection of human decency and dignity extends to sex workers and their children. The use of a condom by a sex worker should not be interpreted as evidence of an offence by the police. The Apex Court also ordered the police not to reveal the identities of these sex workers in front of the media.
It does cover a lot of important points in favor of sex workers, and the most important thing would be that if sex workers are also informed about their rights, they would know that, about how to go about their life.
Now, prostitution has existed in India for centuries. It's recently gained a lot of supporters for it to be made a legal and normal profession without any stigma. In India, prostitution rackets are run, and this is often linked to trafficking and sexual abuse by men, and often thereby labelled immoral or corrupt. But in this historic decision, the Supreme Court appears to have finally put an end to all of these debates. What are your thoughts on this? Let us know in the comments section.
For more informative videos like this, keep watching India Today News Mo.